vSeeBox keeps improving their TV boxes. This is their newest release, the vSeeBox V6 Plus, and it has major upgrades over older vSeeBoxes, but also it has one major upgrade over the newer vSeeBox V6 Max. And in this video, we're gonna discover all its internal hardware. I'm gonna open it up for you, so I'm gonna show you what comes in its box, and also I'm gonna show you how to set it up, show you its ports, and talk about its specifications, and I'm gonna perform two hardware tests on it. The first test is the AIDA64 test to verify its hardware, and the second test is the benchmark test with the 3D Mark to verify its speed, and I'm gonna compare its speed with the V6 Max. And also I'm gonna touch on its applications and its content. So let's start by unboxing it to see what comes in its box. Let's open the box. Whoa, this TV box looks great. This is everything you get in the box. You have some documentation, an HDMI cable, a power adapter, a backlit remote control, and the vSeeBox V6 Plus Android TV box. By the way, if you want to check out this TV box, I'm gonna leave a hefty discount coupon code in the description and in the comments. If you use my coupon code, you're gonna get a very good price on this TV box, and I'll get a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. All the ports of this TV box are on its back. You have the DC input, a reset pinhole, an Ethernet input that is maximum 100 megabits per second, HDMI 2.1 output, TF card input, SPDIF optical audio, USB 3.0 input, and USB 2.0 input. The major upgrades from older vSeeBoxes is that now this vSeeBox V6 Plus is running Android 14 instead of Android 11 or 12. This is of course better for performance and also for security, and it has also automatic updates. And for the third upgrade, I need to turn off the light so for you to see it. And it is this backlit remote control that is of very good quality. Now, I also talked about a major upgrade from the vSeeBox V6 Max, and it is the CPU. The V6 Plus is now running the ARM Cortex-A55 that is newer and faster than the ARM Cortex-A35 that the vSeeBox V6 Max is running. For the other specifications, they didn't change from older vSeeBoxes, so it still runs the Mali G31 GPU. It's an older GPU, but it does the job, and also it still has only 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. It has Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6. So now let me show you how to set it up for the first time, and then we're gonna verify the hardware using AIDA64 and perform the speed test using 3D Mark benchmark. When you start the TV box for the first time, you need to pair the remote control with Bluetooth, and it's prompting you to press the OK and the volume minus button simultaneously until the LED light of the remote blinks, and then the TV box will continue automatically. Give it a second, and here you see it said remote connected successfully. On this screen, you need to select your language. So here I'm gonna keep it on English United States for me. And on this screen, you can adjust the display of the TV box in case it's not taking all the screen. So you can see this by the corners on the top. For me, it is okay. So I'm gonna just select next with the remote control. And on this screen, select your time zone. And this is very important for the electronic program guide to be accurate. So I selected my time zone. You need to read the disclaimer, and then you need to select agree so that you can continue. So select here your Wi-Fi network and connect to it. I'm gonna do this for me, and here it is connected to my Wi-Fi network. Give it a second to continue automatically the configuration. Now I'm gonna talk about the content and the applications, because now it is included in the setup wizard of this TV box. So here you need to select the applications you wanna install, and this way you're gonna get the content that this TV box promises. And after you install the applications you want, the initial setup will be finished and you'll be presented with the home screen of the TV box. Now I'm gonna open the Google Play Store and sign in to install NordVPN, because I advise you to always connect these TV boxes to a VPN. If you wanna see how to configure NordVPN on these TV boxes, I previously made a video about it. You can check the link in the description. And if you wanna get the best price for NordVPN, I'm gonna leave also an affiliate link in the description. Let's make sure now that the hardware that is documented is the same hardware that is in this box. So this is AIDA64 running, and let's check first the RAM. So the RAM, it is 4 GB, And also the internal storage, it is near 64. It says here 54 because there is a part of it taken by the operating system. Let's see the CPU. And the CPU is the ARM Cortex A55. And I'm expecting that the performance of this TV box will be much faster than the V6 Max. So let's see the display now. The display should be the Mali G31, and it is Mali G31. And we still need to see the Android version, and it is Android 14. So it is matching exactly the documentation. Let's perform now the 3D Mark speed test, that is the slingshot test. And the vSeeBox V6 Plus scored a whopping 599 points as opposed to the 557 points that the vSeeBox V6 Max scored. So the performance of this box is very good, and it reflects the newer CPU that it has. I hope that you found my video useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.